Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit on this 2023 Chevy Silverado. We put a 3-inch lift on it and some 35 1250 R20 tires. This is what you're going to need to do in order to make it fit with these 35s on the 3-inch lift. We did add 2-inch wheel spacers because of the lift that we used. It has an upper control arm, and in order to clear the upper control arm, we needed the wheel spacers. I have great news for you. You don't have to touch the bumper. You don't have to touch the valence. There's absolutely no trimming there. There's a bracket in the inner fender that you can take and you can push it forwards. Then what you'll do is you'll take the holes that the inner fender used to mount to that bracket, and you'll take a zip tie to it. You'll attach it to the bumper and you'll close the zip tie to move that whole inner fender forwards. Now, as we move to the back, there is a little bit of work that needs to be done. There's a bracket in the back of the rear of the front fender. You'll remove the bracket as a whole, and this will open up a little cavity behind your inner fender. Then what you need to do is you need to take a reciprocating saw or a circular saw. I would recommend a circular saw or an angle grinder, and you'll cut about 3 inches of your fender. What this will allow is for the tire to clear where the metal of the fender was. Now this is all on the inside. And then what you'll do is you'll take the bolt that was holding the bracket in between the firewall and the inner fender, and you'll use that bolt to secure the inner fender back. But now we've moved the inner fender back about 2.5 inches to allow these 35s to fit. And then the last thing that you'll do while your mud flap is off, because you need to remove your mud flap in order to make this fit, is you will take your circular saw, your angle grinder, or your reciprocating saw. You'll cut a diagonal line, and then you'll cut the bottom of the mud flap, and that will clear these 35-inch tall tires. So if you want to know exactly what lift we used, exactly what tires we used on this 2023 Chevy 1500, go and watch our walkthrough video. And if you want to know the tips and tricks that we had on installing this lift, go watch our tips and tricks video. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. We're here to serve you. Anything that we can do, we want to help you. Dream up your build, plan your build, send you the parts, pick out the parts, whatever it may be, we're here to serve you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 833-268-2577. We would love to help you and serve you today.